Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own anime videos in AI. So if you love anime and want to bring your own stories to life using AI tools, this video is for you. Let's dive into Vidu AI and see how it works. So first, you need to sign up and access Vidu AI. You can head over to the Vidu AI's website, this one, vidu.com, and sign up. Here I'm using email to sign up and make the account, and it's quick and free to start. And once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where you can create your first anime project. So you can just write your prompt, for example, in here. I'm going to use this text to video options, and here I'm going to enter the prompt and use this one: a futuristic city at night, anime style with neon lights and a young hero running across rooftops. And here you can adjust the style, the duration, movement, and also the amount. Okay, I'm using 5 seconds, and you can adjust the models in here, and then you can click on this one to generate the results. But if you only use the free option, because as you guys can see, I are of credit, so I need to upgrade and subscribe into Vidu AI to be able to generate. But if you just using it, you can get 10 references a month. So just sign up first and you can get your anime video. And here I'm going to just go back to the dashboard, and these are the example of the anime video created by Vidu. This one, maybe this one in here. Or this one. So once you're happy with the result, you can just click on download, and you can share your anime video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even use it in your own anime storytelling projects. And that's it. You just learned how to create your own anime videos with Vidu AI step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.